Hi John, this is Michaela. I spoke with you on the phone earlier today, and as mentioned, here's just a quick video to kind of go over your website with you, show you how to get new leads, as well as discuss areas that your competition is doing to get more leads, as well as discuss your overall online presence with you. So to get started, I do have a background with digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks at three specific aspects when ranking websites along their Google platform. Number one, and most important for organic movement of your website, is going to be content. And content is anywhere actual text shows up on your website. So all this here counts. Got a little there, testimonials, and that's it. So not a lot of content. So let me go over with you why content is so important, as well as give you an example. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as your #1 search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So with that said, Google every couple weeks does a sweep of the internet, finds content-rich sites, and naturally starts moving them up the rankings. So after doing some research from some of the competition in Charlotte, as well as knowing that Google loves content, I'm going to suggest you get anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone. This is going to do two things for you. It's going to allow you to be seen by Google when it does that sweep, as well as beat out your competition who currently are ranking for content. Next, for every additional service that you offer, we recommend that you have your own separate web page for each. So this needs to have its own page here on your website. Upholstery cleaning, carpet cleaning, mattress cleaning and sanitizing, odor removal, tile and grout cleaning if you do that. They all need to have their own page, and I'll tell you why. This is for two reasons. Number one, for every new page you add to your website, we add more content. And what do we know about content? Google loves it, right? So for every new page, you add between 750 to 1,000 words of content. And in doing so, we also get to put appropriate keywords in place for you to rank for. Now, a keyword is anything that people put into a Google search. So carpet cleaning Charlotte NC is a keyword that people search quite often in your area. So having that exact text in the content on your carpet cleaning page would allow Google to find you and direct people to your page. Let me show you another layout here. This is Ahrefs, and it just gives me a breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet today. And as you can see, we're getting 0 traffic to our website because we are ranking for 0 keywords. So again, those keywords have to be present. With every keyword you want to rank for, it has to be surrounded in like 250 words of text, which is why we usually recommend that you have a lot of content on every page so that we can rank you for multiple keywords at a time, okay? So getting some keywords put in here that you want to rank for in your area that are actually searched for a lot is going to help get you exposed as well as in front of more potential customers. Next, I want to draw your attention to what should be two numbers here. This UR and DR. UR here is directly related to citations, and a citation, again, I take you back to a Google search. This Google map is always the first thing to show up. From the very beginning, you can see that these top 3 competitors are going to get the most clients based on visibility alone, which is what every small business owner wants, right? We want our information to be in front of and exposed to as many people as possible. So how do we secure a top position here? We do that through citations, and a citation is anywhere that your business's name, address, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. The more you have, the higher up this you climb. In doing so, that's going to cause your UR number to climb. Next, this DR is also important, and it is directly related to backlinks. And even though you have 19 backlinks, we're not showing any DR, meaning these are pretty weak backlinks, and they're not giving you any influence. So what do I mean by that? Well, a backlink, in case you don't know, is anywhere that your business's website is linkable and clickable on another business's website. So think Angie's List or Home Advisor. Getting a good referring domain like those to host your backlink that have a lot of traffic coming to their sites are going to in turn throw a lot of that influence back to your site. The more influence you have pointing back to your website, the higher this DR number goes. I'll tell you why those two numbers are important as well. As you can see, everything was kind of flat, and then you climbed a little bit and then started kind of going back down again. So when these numbers are high, this number is high, your keywords are high, then you get a high amount of traffic. So this is what the competition in your area are doing. They're ranking high for citations and high for good quality backlinks, and then they're stuffing their websites full of good keywords that people in your area search for a lot, resulting in high organic traffic. Well, John, I hope you found this information useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. But for now, that's all I have. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will be in touch. Bye-bye.